Hey everybody, welcome to Above All Journal, where it doesn't matter what is on our to-do list, we are journaling. Today I decided to make these really cute little waterfall pieces that you can throw on a junk journal page to give it some interest. And you can use these to pull them, you can pull them off, or I don't know, these don't have to be permanent in there. You don't have to glue them, but you could tuck them in a pocket or something like that. And then those can be used as like a notebook. Like here's a more notebook-y style. And you can collage on them. That's always my go-to, collaging. Or journal on them, write on them, stick notes, something like that. So I made these two. This is my second time attempting to create this video, so here we are. Here we are again. This is a great project if you have like book pages that you need to use up. So bibliophiles, look away. Here we go. We're gonna take some book page from this gutted book. Yeah, this is from a book I gutted. It's all kinds of different stories and things. So anyways, I have some book pages. I have some jelly print. I have some cabbage dyed. I don't know. This is avocado dyed and scrapbook paper. And here we go. Let's get going. So this is a very neutral looking one. Let's see. So I'm thinking these are 4 inches wide, and then I'm just tearing as I go. I'm just tearing them up to create the waterfall effect. So here we go. There's one. I have my squirrel pile here. Let's see. Whoa, why not some red? Why not? Let's see what else we have in here. Oh boy, all kinds of things. I don't know. You guys want to look? Want to see? Want to see my organized, not organized? I don't know. I thought these were longer. How about, oh, I don't know. It's like cardstocky. I'm just gonna pull some things out. How about this? Why not? Why not this? Anything else I see? Anything else catching my eye? I don't know. How annoying, huh? I should have had this pulled out beforehand. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I know what I was feeling. But what was I thinking? I don't know. I don't know. Meh. I think we'll just go with that for now. How about this? Let's throw that in there. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to use this guy. You're going to come here. I like the scrapbook, like scrappy feel, but let's see. I want to layer them in there better. So next to that, I'm going to put this, and then I'll do this notepad paper, and then I'll do you in the center, and then how about some book page? Oh, you bibliophiles are going to be upset with me by the end of this. Let's see. We'll go there. And then let's do some of this. Let's see. I can't go wider than... Listen, I saved this book from the trash. Let's be honest. I saved it. I saved it. And I like this topper, but let's give it a trim. Trimming down. let's see, I'm thinking an inch. Give an inch, run a mile. Here we go. Yes, today would be a perfect day, the perfect day to be working on the Coraline journal because it's raining outside. And what am I doing? What am I doing? Procrastinating. Yeah. Do you guys ever like get super excited about a project that you don't start the project? You don't work on the project because you're just so excited. You're like, ooh, I can't wait for this. But you don't do it? I don't know. I have a problem. I have issues. Okay, how about this? I like that. Let's do this eyelet here. Little flower eyelet. I got these at a thrift store. I have no idea. Looks like they could have been from the Stamp Doctor. Possibly. Because these are all in the same bag together. And I'm assuming the same lady probably donated it. Or man. We're not discriminatory around here. Men can do this too if they want. Just usually women, but men are welcome. We need to have more men in the crafting community. But we all love Tim Holtz. He does crafty art stuff, you know. Okay, so I'm kind of going to just give this a little bendy. It's kind of hard to because it's stiff. And I know I'm way close in your face. Nothing like it, you know. Nothing like me being in your business. But I'm going to give it a pinch there in the corner. And then that way I know where the center is. And then I'm just going to eyeball the rest. Because I don't want to. And this is supposed to be a scrappy sort of project. So, I'm fine if we don't have perfection. Not like I make anything perfect anyways, but here we are. Okay, I'm going to stick that in the hole. And it is kind of large. So, come on. There we go. We're working our way through. This eyelet is probably just a little bit bigger than this. What is it? Probably a 5. A 5-er. But my machine only works for 3/16. Alright, here we go. I'm putting her in. And I'm going to tack her down. Hopefully. Maybe. There we go. And that kind of worked. I'm going to give it one more little squish though. Maybe on a... Nope, that's kind of my biggest one. Oh, that is. There we go. Okay, there's the eyelet. I don't care if these are floppy because I want this to be able to be used for other things. I'm just going to give that a little swivel. It kind of swivels like a brad, these first ones. It's not supposed to, but it does. We're not going to judge. Okay, here we go. We're making the waterfall effect now. So, I go a little long on the top, and then if I need to, come in, I take more off. It's that simple. Oh boy, that one's really short back here. Okay, that's all right. Go take off more. I said this was a great project for scraps, but it's also a great project for multiplying your scraps. So if you want to get rid of them, it's okay to throw the small pieces of paper away. It's okay. Give yourself permission today to let something go into the garbage. Because we junk journalers were like, oh, a scrap of paper? A thing for my squirrel pile. Look how cute that is. I love that. All right, now let's make another one with the tie. So, here we go. Getting some more. Let's see, what do I have in my squirrel pile? Going back to the squirrel pile, I'm just going to pull things out. I'm not going to be judgmental. I am judgmental sometimes. I try not to be, you guys. Come on. I try not to be. Everything, I want everything to be cohesive, but it's a junk journal. Sometimes it's not. And that's okay. It doesn't have to always be perfect. How about some of this? Okay, I'm going to close my eyes, and what I pull out, I get. Okay, here we go, here we go. How about you? Okay? You. And maybe one more. You. Perfect. Except I already have your sister out here, so I'm going to use your sister. Sorry. Off you go. And I'll use these. This will be fun. Alright, so I'm going to start with the back. Do I care? No, I don't. So here we go. And I don't care how wide this one is, so I'm going to let it be wide. It's okay. Things are fine. It's all good in the hood. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Boop, 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 boop. All right. And one more. Kind of overlap. Okay, and then you can be the topper. So here we go, making another topper. I have no idea how. No room up here, none. Boop. Give it a slide. Cute. This is going to work out great. Is it though? I don't know. Okay, put this on. Let's put it on. Oh, you don't want to be a part of this? You think so? You're going in. You're going in. You don't have a choice. You're participating. You too. We're all here. I have no idea what that was like before, but here we are. Okay, now I'm going to trim off this edge. These are fun for a mask make though. And if you don't want to glue, guess what? You don't have to. But you do need eyelets. If you don't have eyelets, well, you better go get your glue because you're going to need it. How about gold? I never use gold eyelets. It's not my favorite. Gold is never my favorite. So I'm putting it on the 3/16, and I'm just going to kind of give this a little pinch and a crease there. Like so. Can you see? Probably not. I'm great at editing and stuff. Things I actually don't edit at all. This is all on a whim. So I apologize. My husband says that he's going to try to get me a camera at some point. He's nice. He's great. He's a great man. Okay, there we go. Now, let's put in our eyelets. Let's throw our eyelets around. Come on, get out of there. I'm trying to keep the paper straight, and these eyelets, they don't want to work. They don't want to go to work. Okay, and let's see. I might have to put... What are we doing? Oh, getting all out of whack is what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to put both of them in and have one as a placeholder. Actually, the other one just bailed. So we're going to... Hopefully I can find that eyelet before Mr. Kirby does, because craft supplies aren't cheap. I feel like these... Okay. There we go. Get that up on there and down. And... Oh! There's two on the floor. I was going to show you the back side, but I forgot the other one wasn't done. I'll show you the back side in a second. There we go. There they are. There's the front side. That's what matters, right? Front side. Alrighty, here we go. Binding a string. I have this string. This came off of an old journal I had from when I was like 16. I took it apart. I barely wrote in it. So this was the binding of the journal. And here I am, crisscross applesauce. I did learn things in school. Mostly that. Sit on your butt, cross your legs. Let's see, I want it tight, but I don't want it to fold inward. Don't judge. Yes, I'm doing bunny ears. Shush! Some of us have to do things the hard way. Or the easiest way. I don't know. There. I don't care if it's perfect. It's fine with me. I might have someone use, like, give me their finger later. I might redo that. But there's that. See, aren't these so cute? So there's some with a tie and some without. You could treat these like tags. Oh, okay, we gotta try something now. Okay, do I have time? I'm gonna do one more. One more. We gotta hurry. So I'm using what's on the desk. Whatever's here. Let's see, book page. But then that means I'm stuck with all the same stuff I just used. Nope. Nope. Not happening. Pink. Closing my eyes. I'm closing them, I promise. I promise. Here we go. That one. What next? What next? My fingers aren't grabbing anything. Okay. Alrighty. Whatever it is. One more. Tie-dye. Okay. That's fun. We'll make it work. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to rip up the side here. This. So I'm going to layer that to that. You might be too big. Let's scale it down. Let's just go with that. And I don't know. Let's do you. You're just laying around doing nothing. Okay. Oh yeah, I like that better. It's still wide, but it will work out. And I'm going to do these more to the center. And then let's see. Do some black flowers, some purple tie-dye with hearts, and how about, well, I did pull this out, but I hate it, so we're gonna use this. Okay, here we go. I'm going to just do one center nib. Here we go. And I'm just gonna go for it. I have no idea if that's centered or not. Looks close enough to me though. Okay, let's use a dark center, or whatever this is, eyelet, a dark one, and then I'm going to bring that up and bring it down, push it down like that. Now I'm going to do the waterfalling. Here we go, waterfall. There we go, one. Oh, I didn't put this on. Oh well. What was I thinking? I was so excited. And I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. Up a little bit more. Up a little bit more. And up a little bit more. Here we go. Man, I'm mad I didn't. I kind of like it jaggedy, but this is going to go in something that looks like that, I guess. I'm going to trim. I have no idea, so I'm going to pretend like I do. I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to cut it like a tag, and I'm going to treat it like one. Like a waterfall scrappy tag. I don't know. I like that idea. Okay, do I have any more fun string? Probably not. I think I used it all. But I would put a piece of string in there. And then we have like fun scrappy tag idea. It looks like a ghost. I love it. Let me see if I have any string in here. I don't think I do. I think that's just paper. Only paper. Alright everyone, well that's gonna be all for me for today. I have to go do other things now, unfortunately. It's against my brand, but I gotta go do other things. My stove is currently self-cleaning because I'm lazy, but ta-da! We did it. So if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, say hello. Yeah, these were fun to make. And just so you guys know, in my next video, there will likely be kids in the video because we are done with school and my crafting time will now be bombarded by children. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. But I will see you guys next week. I am making a commitment now that I will get the Coraline Tunnel pieces finished, colored, so that we can do the actual structure of the Coraline journal. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. This could be fun for Coraline though, because like, I don't know. Yeah, no, that might go in the Coraline journal. We'll see. We will see. But I will see you guys next time. And I hope you have a good weekend. See ya. Bye.